Windows 10 is Microsoft's answer. It isn't just a PC operating system, but the foundation for developers to make apps that will run across a wide variety of devices. Desktops, laptops, tablets, smartphones, the Xbox, the HoloLens headset, even the tiny Raspberry Pi. Microsoft wants Windows apps to run on all these devices, but that will only work if Windows 10 is actually any good. So let's get an expert's take on the new operating system right now. Tom Warren is a senior editor at The Verge, and he joins me now live from London. Tom, good to see you. Now, I know that you have managed to test and review Windows 10. Is it any good?
Yeah, it's a pretty good upgrade. There's a few features in there that are cool. I know your story sort of mentioned the mobile stuff, and it's obviously only really for PCs now. But there's some interesting built-in apps. You've got like a new Mail app, there's a new Xbox app, and if you want to stream Xbox One games to your PC, that's pretty cool. So if you've got a TV and you want to go and play an Xbox One game in your bedroom and stuff, you can do that. The start menus come back. That's probably the big thing, alongside a black sort of dark theme to Windows 10. The start menu is really the return. They took it away in Windows 8. It kind of annoyed people that it was a full screen start screen, and they kind of moved it out of the way, and they brought back a little button in Windows 8, but it kind of wasn't enough, and people kind of didn't really like Windows 8 and didn't necessarily want to upgrade to it.
So big upgrade to the user interface. Let's talk about the new browser now. With Windows 10, Internet Explorer is gone. We now have something called Edge. How is it?
Yeah, so Edge is good. Internet Explorer is still kind of there in the background. So say you go to a browser page in Edge, and it doesn't quite work well, then you can fire it up in Internet Explorer. But Edge itself is still kind of clinging to Internet Explorer. The new taskbar icon is pretty much like the Internet Explorer icon. Not really a big change. In terms of features, you can, if you've got like a stylus, like a tablet with a pen, you could draw over web pages, share them with friends over mail or over social networks, all that sort of stuff. And there's Cortana, which is the new digital assistant. So say you start typing in the address bar, if you normally type in google.com, if you start typing in weather, you'll get the weather results just without even have to hit enter. So they'll just come up sort of inline. So that's kind of useful. Other than that, it's still kind of early days for Edge. We're still waiting for like extension support and just other sort of basic features to be added in there.